Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Compliance Weekly of 28th May 2024. We'll start off with sharing the milestone board first. Yeah. What was the last issue that we discussed? PSRF is it somewhere? Oh, not sure.
It was the confidential
CSRF, yeah.
Okay, it's not here anymore because we have the filter. I'm not sure where we are.
later.
You can remove the filter because it's not.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes, here it is. So the next one is design update for one project has multiple compliance framework labels. Not sure if we have to discuss anything here.
Yeah, I can just quickly mention that the thanks to Camellia, the designs have all been done for the multiple compliance framework stuff, and we've created issues for all of that front end work there in the epic.
Okay. That's nice. Thank you. The next one is add, create, and delete APIs for namespace filters for consolidated group level external audit events with Hitesh.
So this wasn't verification. And it adds create and delete APIs as it suggests for the namespace filters for group level destinations.
That's nice. Next one is creating migration for new audit events table. Harsimer.
Yeah, so this one is for creating the new audit events table we are going to have. So this one is close and confirm.
Yes. The next one was all three are confidential. I'll skip.
We can.
Yeah.
No, that's all good. We can talk about it next.
Okay. The next part is discussing the planning priorities. So the first one is custom standards adherence configuration, which is with me. Unfortunately, I was out sick last week, so I haven't been able to spend some time. So there's no new update from last week. I'm still working on this one. The next one is multiple compliance framework labels. Hitesh.
So the MR for the migration MR for this is under review. There were some minor comments from maintainer, database maintainer, and I have fixed them and asked for the review again. And for the second one, I'm working on another task for changing the association and fixing aspects related to that. That's it.
The next one is third party connected to Snowflake.
Yes.
With Sam. I can also talk about it if you want.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, sure. So we have released the initial version of the application. It's launched on the Snowflake's marketplace. Now we have to connect with the other APIs. So right now I'm discussing strategies with the Snowflake engineering team on how to roll out the upgrades. Because for every new API, we'll be technically creating a new table to ingest data into. And for every new table, they recommend creating a new version of the application. So I'm just working with them on how things should work. So I'll probably work on the first API, and then I think Sam and Harsimer has been assigned one issues each, so they can just follow on that. I'll try to work on the first API.
Was that minor version, or did it need to be a major version of the new app?
It needs to be a major version, unfortunately, not patch
okay.
versions. So we have version 1 right now. They expect us to release version 2 whenever we add a new table, like whenever there's a schema change.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how it is. The next one is compliance pipeline to security policy migration with Sam.
Yes. Due to other progress, we haven't moved that one this week.
The next one is sales compliance database with Hudson.
Yeah,
Mhm.
so the first MR which creates the audit events table have been merged, and right now I'm working on adding partitions for those tables. Hopefully by end of this week I will be able to create a MR for it.
Nice. The next one is consolidation of tables for streaming audit events with Hitesh.
Apart from the namespace filters for group level, there's been no work on this because I associate multiple compliance.
Then comprehensive audit log with Nate, I guess, regarding logs, audit events.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
actually working on 2 this week for instance CI variables and for the project topics.
That's good. The last one is make compliance center available to projects and subgroups with Ilya. Ilya is not there. So anyone who knows any updates? No.
Oh, I don't. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, Elia is working on the second MR at the moment to release it at. It's been released at project level. Working on at the subgroup level. My mute button has disappeared. So sorry.
No
Doom
problem.
things.
Just stop sharing. We don't have any design or QA updates. We have a couple of FYIs from Nate. We want to verbalize.
Yeah, just the first one was fantastic work to the whole team for effort getting the Snowflake connector app released. It's a great stick in the ground to like move us forward that. So hopefully we can really move forward from there. And the next one was just congrats to Hitesh on the 2-year anniversary as well. That was awesome work. And yeah, I don't know, Ian, do you have any updates you wanted to give or anything while you're here?
No, just wanted to, congrats on the Snowflake connector app as well. Definitely is a big thing off the chest to have that out. So no, we just continue working with Snowflake and getting them the other APIs that they've asked about for the next release. But it's good to have it out in the marketplace and ready for folks to use. So
Nice. Cool. We don't have any other updates, so I'll just stop recording. Wave to the camera. Bye.